Hey everyone, and welcome to this latest unboxing thingamajiggy. And in today's majiggy, we are going to do something that we've done quite a bit of recently, and that is in the snacks category. So if you'll recall, in past videos, we have unboxed all sorts of biscuits slash cookies. We have done different kinds of crackers. We've done things such as Rice Krispie Squares. We've done Passion Flakes. We've done Twinkies. We've done Joe Louise. We've done various chocolate bars. We've done, well, we've done protein bars. We've done granola bars. We have done maybe like Nutri-Grain bars and sweet and salty ones. And this week we are going to unbox this box of Nature Valley Crunchy bars. So this kind is the Apple Crisp, and it claims to be made with whole grain oats. So by the looks of it, it looks like those kind of crunchy kind of bars, I guess, as the picture would show. So, and yes, since it's Nature Valley, I am shilling for General Mills Bond 24. Shame on me. So call the cops, call the government, call the FBI, get the CIA or whatever, or get Henry Kissinger on me. So you do what you have to do. So without much further ado, we will just lift the tab up like that, and voila. Here we have one of the crunchy bars here. So let me know in the comments below if you've ever had these crunchy bars before and what flavor that you liked, and also what you thought of them. And if you haven't tried them before, let me know in the comments as well if now you're interested in trying these. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button, which you'll find down there. And also don't forget to ring the Mrs. Bell notification button so you can get notified of other videos just like this one. And also don't forget to smash the living daylights out of the thumbs up button or even the thumbs down button. And also don't forget to check out these lovely videos right over here. And with that having been said, I will see you at the next unboxing video. So take care and bye.